This is an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is precisely why you should have a glass screen protector on your phone. You can see right here, this screen protector has had its day. It's got cracks all on the sides right here, cracks all across it, and it's coming up. So this is definitely due for a replacement. I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So if we take this screen protector off, all these cracks and breaks and all that, it's actually a good thing. Do you know what that means? It means that your screen protector did its job. It protected your device. And that's the whole point of having a glass screen protector on your device, is to protect it. So let's go ahead and first clean off our screen. And what I use is this Whoosh screen cleaner. This is made for screens, and it's definitely a great product. I use it for all of my tablets, my iPad, my computer, my phones, all that good stuff I use it for. So spray it down, wipe it off. Make sure you get it nice and clean. There we go. Keep wiping it down. Get it all nice and clean. There we go. And then what you want to do is grab your little stickers that come inside the pack of your screen protector, and you can just fold it just kind of like that. And then there we go. We just do that. And what that does, it gets all the dust that might have settled from the white cloth or from the area that you're in. So get all of that nice dust off of there. There we go. And then grab your glass screen protector right here. So there is your nice new glass screen protector. And you want to do this fairly quickly, is just peel that piece off, which is your sticky part right there. And I noticed that there's still a little bit of dust on there. So use your little sticky thing, just get any last minute pieces of dust off. And then we want to align from the top, just to make sure it's nice and aligned. Kind of feel the sides. And once you think it's aligned perfectly, you just rest it down. And then you can grab this little tool that you get included and draw a line in the middle. And then you can see now the separation of the bubble right there. So we can see how that's nicely separating. And then we can use this and just push out any other remaining bubbles and just let it heal. You can let it heal kind of itself, which is perfectly fine. There we go. And then any sort of bubbles or anything that are left in there, you can just use this tool and you can just completely push them out. So there we go. So we have a nice brand new screen protector on the phone to protect the phone again.